Hey, Aaron here from 2H Media, and in this video, I want to talk about how we helped Business Center Guelph Wellington increase their social media engagement by 35%. And we're not even a social media agency. We didn't get in there and create a posting schedule or manage their posts day to day. We just helped them create engaging content. To do that successfully, we started by understanding their audience and their messaging. Business Center Guelph Wellington is a local organization that provides business resources and support for small businesses in their community. The Business Center wasn't leveraging video in their marketing strategy, and we knew that by injecting a video component into their marketing efforts, they would see a massive increase in engagement. When creating videos for a nonprofit, one of the challenges is showcasing their impact without coming off as bragging. In order to do so, we had to be very deliberate about the kind of content we produced. With that in mind, we worked together to create a series of videos that highlighted successful businesses that had been through the Business Center's programs. We focused on everything those businesses had achieved with some help from the Business Center instead of focusing on the Business Center itself. All of the businesses that we approached were really enthusiastic about shooting these testimonials. It was a great opportunity to get their messaging out there and show people the impact the Business Center is having. By creating video content that was relevant to the Business Center's audience and felt good to share and celebrate, we were able to give them that increase in engagement that they were looking for. If you're interested in learning more about what video can do for your business, then I encourage you to book a strategy session with one of our experts. We'll take the time to get to know your business, develop a plan that makes sense for you, and answer your burning questions so that you can move forward with confidence and clarity. If that sounds impactful, then book a strategy session. And in the meantime, thanks for watching.